All right, so now that we have got the side of the book, which is the ebook content, taken care of, at this particular point, we're going to have to go ahead and design the ebook cover. Okay, so based on this information, I'm going to ask Chat GPT, can you describe the perfect ebook cover for me? And I'm gonna ask it to answer that question, and basically it's gonna tell me how to create the ebook cover. Well, there's an error here, so what I'm gonna have to do, so this sometimes can happen. What you need to do is just refresh the page. Okay, just refresh the page and it will be fine. Okay, so right now it is loading. Okay, so now it's good. So I'm just gonna paste my question again, the same question, and just paste it right there and ask it to answer my question. Right, so here it's going to start describing. An effective ebook cover should be visually, it's important to use all right, no. So I'm going to stop generating this answer and I'm going to have to give it more detail. Can you, or first of all, I'm going to say, I am in the process of writing an ebook about online course creation. Can you help me design the ebook cover? All right, so now let's wait for it to give us the illuminating answer. Sure, when designing an ebook for a book about online creation, it's important to make, all right, the title of the book should be prominently displayed using large and bold fonts. Use image or illustration that's relevant to the topic of the book, such as a person sitting in a computer or a group of people in a classroom. Incorporate colors that are associated with education, such as blue and green. Okay, that's good to know. Use a clean and modern design that looks professional with minimal clutter. Use background color that contrasts well with the title and imagery, making the text easy to read. You can also add a subtitle to the cover that highlights the key takeaway of the book. For example, learn the proven strategies for creating and selling profitable online courses. An image of an open notebook with a pen, it could be a good idea to make it look more educational. Add some graphics. All right, so here, what I'm going to say is, I need you to give me a guide. All right, and okay, so here, because I wanted to give me the guide for what I need to do. Right, okay, it should also include tips. No, stop generating. I wanted to say, I want you to write how can I design a book cover for my online course creation ebook. I want you to write the details of what I should do. Okay, let's see now if it picks up the, all right, designing an ebook cover is a bit of a challenge. Here's a guide. Define your, no, stop. This is, sometimes it could get under your nerves, but anyways, I'm going to say, I want you to write specific steps that I should take to design an ebook cover for a book that explains how to make money selling online courses. I need steps to follow using Canva. Hopefully now it picks up on the information. Start by creating a Canva account. Choose a color scheme that aligns with the theme of the book. This can be done by selecting, all right, there you go. Now it finally understood what we're talking about here. Choose a color scheme that aligns with the theme of your book. This can be done by selecting a pre-designed color palette. Add a background image that captures the essence of the book. This can be a photo illustration that represents the topic of online course creation. All right, so now it gave me the steps. All I have to do is to go to Canva now, and I'm just going to follow these steps. Okay, so what is the first step? Canva. All right, so I'm going to go to Canva, and the first step is, according to Chat GPT, is to just go to Canva here, create a design, and I'm going to look for ebook, all right, because there is a frame for ebook cover designs here. So I'm going to click create a design and search for ebook, not ebook cover. Okay, so ebook cover, perfect. Now, what's the second step here to do is choose a color scheme that aligns with the theme of your book. Now, according to the other message, it said blue and green align with the book. Okay, so what I want to do here, I'm going to go back to this guy. All right, so this guy also is using a blue color right here, a blue color. So what I can do is basically I can take maybe blue color ground or something right here, and basically let's go to graphics and kind of search for some blue. All right, blue color ground, couldn't find something very interesting here. All right, blue color, maybe this one. All right, so I'm going to take it, put it down here. All right, I think this will be good. Let's go back to that book. All right, so, okay. Now here it says choose a color scheme. All right, so selecting a pre-designed color palette or creating your own. Next, add a background image that captures the essence of your book. All right, so it has to be a background image of online course creation. So I'm going to go to elements here on Canva and search for online course creation. Online course creation. And right here, I'm going to go, I prefer graphics instead of images. All right, so I'm going to pick a graphic here. I think there is a graphic here that is going to be good. All right, so let's just scroll down a little bit here. Right. Well, maybe the first graphic will do. So I'm going to take the first graphic here and make it a little bit bigger, right? Just a little bit. I'm going to put it right here. All right, so there you go. Now we have the background, we have our graphic. So next is, okay, next add a background image. All right, so we added the background image. Add the title of your book in a bold font that stands out against the background. All right, so bold font. But first of all, I'm going to have to go ahead and add green background, because in the first message it says that it has to be a green and blue background, right? I think this one is not good. I'm going to remove it. Maybe let's try with this one here, right? So this one kind of sounds better, I guess. And so I'm going to go here to the text side, go to the heading here, and I'm going to put a heading, and I'm going to put it right here. And it should be, according to ChatGPT, it says here, it should stand out, and it should be in a bold font. So what was the title of the book again? If I scroll up to see what the title of the book that it gave me. All right, so, okay. Unlock the secrets to online course creation success. But first off, let's go and take inspiration from this guy, the Ultimate Course Creation Guide. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to paste the entire description, but first, I'm going to remove the rest of the stuff here. So I'm going to just keep Ultimate Guide to Online Course Creation. That's enough for me. I'm going to go here, try to figure the size of this. So the size is not that huge. Unlock the secrets to online course creation. Like they said, it needs to be bold here. And I'm going to change the font here to Anton. This works better for ebooks. And I'm going to change the size of this to maybe 32. All right, so 32, and just squash it a little bit like this. Unlock the secrets to online course creation, and put it in the middle right here like this. Okay, so maybe we should change the color of this. So I'm going to take the text and change the color to white instead of black, but I'm gonna have to take this background right here, remove the background, and then I'm gonna go and figure another greener background here. For instance, this one will do. I'll put this one here. Okay, I think, or it looks darker. Maybe we should try with this one here. So I'll try with this one. Well, it doesn't look that bad at all. So I'm gonna keep it like that. So put it here, right? Maybe make it a little bit larger. Unlock the secrets to online course creation. Just a little bit like this, okay? There you go. And let's go now back to Chat GPT, to the steps, right? So the other step would be include the subtitle that gives more information of the content of your book. This can be done in a smaller font size underneath the main title. So what this says here is that we should add a smaller subtitle, okay? So here, I'm going to just duplicate this and I'm going to take it down here, but I'm going to make it smaller, maybe 15 in size. This kind of small. 15 is way too small. 18 maybe. Okay, so 18, and I'm going to go back here to my title. So the title said, all right, so the title said here, learn from 100K Udemy instructor and create courses that sell like hotcakes. So I'm going to copy this. And by the way, with Udemy, they ask you to add the unofficial keyword because they will tell you you're not a representative of Udemy. So you shouldn't talk about Udemy as if you are a partner or an employee in Udemy. So here, learn from 100K Udemy instructor, right? Well, basically here, and create courses and sell courses like hotcakes. Maybe this is a little large, so I'm gonna have to just trim it down a little bit. And sell courses like hotcakes, I'm gonna say, instead of create courses that sell like hotcakes. So I'm just gonna paste that stuff in here and sell courses like hotcakes. All right, so maybe this combination would work. I'm gonna have to make it a little bit smaller here. I think 16 now. All right, put it in the middle, right underneath. If I zoom a little bit, it doesn't look that bad. But I'm going to change the font of this. I'm not going to leave this to be Anton. I'm going to change it to maybe Intro Rust here, or let's try with Bald. No, let's try Montserrat. Okay, so Montserrat I think would do. And let's make it smaller just a little bit like this. There you go. And now it looks a little bit better, all right? So yeah. Well, maybe I need to pick Montserrat semi-bold. Okay. Add a little bit of lining here, so spacing in between the lines. A little bit of spacing. There you go. And I can even take this and add some effects to it. So I can add some background effects. I'll choose a different color for the background. Maybe I'll choose this green color here. And all right, so this kind of looks not that bad. Unlock the secrets. Make it a little smaller like this. I'm just trying stuff out to see what works. I feel like it's enough. So let's go back to ChatGPT here. Now, what's the next step on the list? Now, include a subtitle. Add any relevant graphics or illustration to help further convey the subject of a book, of your book. All right, so here I'm going to go and add a pig with money. Pig money bank or piggy money bank. I'm going to try to add some good one here. So maybe this one is good. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to make it a little smaller here and just maybe put it outright like this. Or I'm going to take this one down here just a little bit. Put it like this. Make the pig a little smaller. Okay, there you go. And just drag and drop it like this. All right, so this way it looks better, right? Or at least I think it looks better. I don't know about you, but the book's starting to look a little bit cool. I'm gonna rotate the pig a little bit like this. There you go. And let's go back here So add any relevant graphics, use Canva text tool to add any additional text or information about your book, such as the author's name or tagline, which is cool. So I'm going to add the author's book at the bottom. So I'm going to come here and basically I'm going to take the same text here, duplicate it, and then drag and drop it right here. And then I'm going to say my name, which is author X. Okay, so basically add your name over here. Make sure it is centered, right? There you go, the name is there. Maybe this needs to go a little smaller, centered. Okay, and let's go back. Now here it says, finally, all right, so finally download your book cover in appropriate format for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Test the cover on different devices. All right, so now we finished with the book cover. I feel like there's no need to do more, except for maybe taking this a little down like this. And so I'm going to say ebook cover. And maybe we can go and take a background, money background, right? Money background here, graphics. And let's take this one, for instance, and put it like this. Okay, so, and position it backward. Well, it's already backward. So what we can do is just lower the transparency of it, make it a little less transparent, and make it cover this all across. Play a little bit with the transparency of it, so just a little less transparent, like this. And I feel that's kind of good. Now, for the other one here, maybe we can add some other things, but I fail to see why. So what I'm going to do is simply download my ebook cover now, and we got an ebook cover. Now, you can take this ebook cover and you can come back to here to download mockups, right? So there you go. We have the ebook cover now. It's finished and all done using Chat GPT. So let's open it up. Okay, the ebook cover. All right, so it looks pretty good. So this is a good ebook, decent ebook cover basically here that you can design using Chat GPT. Chat GPT was the one that gave us all the instructions. We didn't have to do anything except for give it information and follow its instructions, and we were able to design an outstanding ebook in a matter of 10 minutes. So see you in the next lecture. I hope this lecture was fine. And please leave a review like always to tell me what you think we should do to improve upon this course. And see you on the other side.